Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy wreath bow.
Yeah, let's go outside.
To start, you will need some thin jewelry wire, some scissors, and some ribbon. And my ribbon is about 3 inches wide, but you'll also need a ruler or a measurement device. Start with your ribbon wrong side facing upward. This bow is going to be a 10-inch bow, so I'm measuring all the way to 15 inches for my first fold. Once you've folded the ribbon over, at the 10-inch mark, you're going to twist the ribbon very tightly, just one time so that the wrong side is facing upward on the other side of the bow. Then you're going to repeat folding the ribbon over to the other side and just make sure that the fold is at the 5-inch mark. And then again, you're going to twist the ribbon at the 10-inch mark. Repeat this 2 more times, one on each side, to create a second layer. If you want a third layer, just repeat it again. Now you'll be left with a piece that is facing with the wrong side upward. I'm making a cut at 21 inches. Turn your bow over, and then we're going to repeat the twist on the bottom piece.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.
From the front side, we're going to start wrapping the jewelry wire around the center of the bow. And my wire is pretty thin, so I actually tied it in a knot first, and then I just twisted the 2 end pieces together to secure it. Now take the front piece and wrap it around to the back of the bow so that the right side of the ribbon is facing upward, and then we're going to repeat wrapping the wire around it to secure it in the back. And then to finish, I just twist the 2 pieces of wire together to secure it. Leave the wire on your bow so you can secure it to your wreath later. Pull the 2 layers of ribbons apart from each other to make the bow fuller. Next, we're going to cut a 10-inch piece of ribbon and fold each edge into itself so that you can't see any edges from the front. And then we're going to wrap it around the middle of the bow and tie it in the back of the bow. Take the ribbon that's hanging down and fold it in half, and then from the center, cut downward to create a little notch at the end of the bow, and then you can use the piece that you cut off to make a stencil for the other side. And then you're done. You can attach this bow to any wreath or window, Christmas tree that you want. Just use the wire that is still hanging. Just wrap it around the wreath like I'm doing here and tie a knot, and then twist the pieces together and fold it down to hide the remaining wire.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.